These are Al-Adala Academy Grade 5 academic heroes and heroines, ready to present to you a poem on Al-Adala School motto, achieving excellence together. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Welcome. This motto, our motto, the school motto, in its clarity, simplicity, and reality, the fuel that keeps us going towards achieving a common goal. Yes, a common view, desire and aim, becoming the best of the best in the best way, using the best methodology. Al-Adala, Al-Adala, your future is bright, true, very bright like light. Let the star shine in the sky, and regardless of the power of shining, the sky is the only limit. As we come to the climax of our poem, we jointly say, two heads are better than one. Unity of purpose, where unity of strength. Thank you.